Hello friends, today we are going to learn the alphabets. Okay, let's start. Oh my god, where all are the alphabets? They are gone. Let's find them one by one. Letter A. We are going to put here. No, that's wrong. I think it should go here. Yes, good job. Now let's find the second letter. This is B. Oh no, it's not here. Not here either. Yes, it's here. Let's place B. Now let's place C. Should it go here? No. There? No. Yes, it should go here. Good job. The next letter is D. Should it go there? No. Here? No. Yes, it should go here. The next letter is E. Should it go here? Here? Yes, it should go here. The next letter is F. Should it go there? No. Here? No. Yes, exactly, it should go here. Great job! We have placed A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we have to find the next row. Now let's find next letter. This is G. Should it go there? No. Here? No. Yes, it should go here. The next letter is H. Should it go there? No. Here? No. Yes, it should go here. The next letter is I. Should we put here? No. Here? No. Yes, it should go here. The next letter is J. No. No. Yes, it should go here. The next letter is K. Should it go there? No. Here? No. Yes, exactly. The next letter is L. It's not here. Not here either. Yes, it should go there. The next letter is M. Should it go there? No. There? No. Yes, it should be placed here. Good job. G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now let's find the next row. This is N. No. No. Yes, it should go there. Good job. This is the letter O. We have to find where is it placed. Should it go there? No. Here? No. Yes, it should go here. The next letter is P. No. No. Yes, it should be placed here. This one is Q. No. No. Yes, it should be placed here. Good job. This is R. No. No. Yes, it should be placed here. Great job. Now we have S. No. No. It should be placed here. Great job. Now we have N, O, P, Q, R, S. Let's find the next row. This is letter T. It should go there. Yes. The next letter is U. No. No. It should go here. The next letter is V. No. No. Yes, it should go here. The next letter is W. Yes. Good job, kids. The next letter is X. It should go here. The next letter is Y. Yes, it should be placed here. The last letter is Z. It should be placed here. We have found all the alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job, kids. Bye.